In this video, I'm going to show you how to set reminder for FB Live. So this video is really for educational purposes only. Now, if you love to go live, you can do it very well here on your PC. So you're going to see this live video, so tap on it. So wait for it to load up. So before you can be able to go live, you need to meet a requirement of having your account be up to 60 days old. You get? And these are the content here that you get once you go live. You're going to go live by yourself or with others. You're going to choose where to publish your live videos. And for you to be able to set a reminder for live video, you can use your stopwatch timer on your iPhone or your Android to set a time beforehand before you go live. So I think that is the best way you can be able to do this. And you can also share your thoughts to your friends or to your family or to your fans that you're going to go live maybe by 8 p.m. or by 7 p.m. With that, you're going to set an early reminder for them to expect you coming live by that time. If you find this video helpful, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe.